Hello, I am Nata Foscott, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use Power ISO, and the objectives are to create a bootable flash drive, create an image file, and how to use a virtual disk. Okay, so firstly we will open up Power ISO, which can be found on the internet. When opening up there, you will see a tab for tools. You go into there, you go down to create bootable USB flash drive tab and click on it. There's a folder to your right. You click on that and you go to wherever you have your virtual disk, your Power ISO file. In this case, this would be WinXP Pro. Click open. Destination will be your flash drive, or from whatever flash drive that you want to select, and then you click start. Okay, to create an image file, you simply go to the add tab on top. You go to the desired files that you would like to create the image files with. You select them. You click add to the bottom. Click save to the top. Then you rename as desired. Then the save type will be .iso, and then you click save, and there you have your image file created. Okay, so next we're moving on to how to use a virtual drive. You simply go straight to wherever your image file was stored. You right click, you go to Power ISO in a drop down, then to mount image to drive, you select. Then you simply, to find what was stored or where is it stored, if you go to my computer, you select the virtual drive and click open, and there you see all your contacts. So moving on, the next thing we'll be doing is configuring Oracle VM VirtualBox. You can go to your browser, you can type in Oracle VM. The safest or most reliable link to go on is from www.oracle.com. Click on that, click download, and you select according to which platform you use or are using. I'll be using Windows, so I'll go to Windows Installer. Okay, so after you install Virtual VMbox, you open, you go to new, you type in the name. For this tutorial I'll be using Server 2008. You go down to the version, you drop down and you select which version that you would like to use. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Windows 2008 32-bit. Click next. You select your memory size that you prefer. Go down to the second option, which is create a virtual disk now. Create. So for the sake of the tutorial, we will be using the first option, which is the VirtualBox disk image. Click next. Going down to fixed size. You click create. And then you wait for the virtual hard disk to create. Before networking all the virtual machines together, ensure that the virtual host only adapter is enabled. To do this, you go to File, Host Network Manager. If under name, if it's blank, then you go to Create and you just create one. So finally, you're going to repeat the steps that you took to set up Server 2008. You're going to repeat those steps for Vista and Win7. and that will commence this tutorial.